Hi guys, back with another unboxing. This I'm very excited about. It's the Occult box unboxing for June. The Dark Moon Occult box, as it tells me there, because I had completely forgotten which one we were on. I love this tissue paper with the stars. That will definitely be recycled, but there again, most of my tissue paper I recycle where I can. Anyway, so it makes very good decoupage paper. Anybody who's interested. This is beautifully wrapped as usual. I think I'm going to have to unwrap things. Well, maybe not. I might be able to do this one-handed. Handmade by Occult box. Christmas in July. As it is now July, I've left this very long time to do. All my boxes are catching up with me. There's numerous issues, including not being able to find my tripod, which this may be quite shaky and out of focus, not pointing in the right direction. And jeez, I hope you can hear me. But yes, here we go. Faces of the Moon. And a very nice wooden the moon charm. It's a bookmark, which is brilliant, because I do read and tend to have 2 or 3 books on the go, so I never remember where I've left them. Bookmarks are very useful. Taught from a very early age not to turn down the corners on books as it breaks the paper. Many years later, I'm now grateful because I haven't got broken corners on any of my books. My old books. Dark Moon featured artist Misery Guts. Oh yes, that's yes. That's what my nan used to call my sister. Misery Guts. She would have never drawn anything as beautiful as this. That is awesome. Love very much. Oh yes, again another favourite image of mine. I do like ravens, dark birds. I like magpies and crows. I was fortunate enough to have lived in Wales, right above some ravens. My landlady hated them, but I thought they were amazing. So yes, very happy with those. And of course, I did specifically pick it because it was the moon. Oh. And I do love the moon. Moon wax melt made. Glimmers as magical as moonlight, dancing on water. I will look forward to watching those melt. It's very soothing watching melties melt, I have found. Moon bath ritual. Bath crystals. Nice, very nice. Blue moon or blood moon. When the moon is full, pour salts into a bath of warm to unveil your glistening moon bath colour and harness the power of the moon. Relax and soak up the lunar energy. Ooh. Himalayan rock salt and Epsom salts. Nice. That's what's giving you that pinkish sheen. I have some Himalayan salt that I use on my food. Yes, very nice. I will look forward to that. I might do that later today. In fact, although I'm not even sure what the flavour of the moon is at the moment. This is a cloth bag, I believe. No. A tablecloth. Oh. Yes, it's a cloth or a wall hanging Well, possibly. My housemate's easy. Could suggest it goes on the wall. The phases of the moon round the side again. Pretty pearlies and stars. Northern Star, I presume, and Southern Star, and Eastern Star, and maybe not. Just decorated. Oh, excuse the mess. That's the yeah, the housemate's wiring for different stuff. There's musical instruments, and that's my hammer. I'm not quite sure why it's there, but it's obviously been used and just put down somewhere, so this is the way of animals. And we have alley cats craft. This is why I usually unbox the box of God stuff. I've got the this is quite difficult doing this with my hand. Adds to the fun though, doesn't it? I'd say it's a bit like Christmas in July at the minute. Got that many boxes around. Wonderful. Excited. Oh. A resin moon. Very nice. I think it's could be a choker or a necklace. That is gorgeous. It is green. Green shimmers. Beautiful. Oh no, the key ring. Key charm, hook charm, earring charm, handbag charm. Yeah. Love that very much. Very much. That is wonderful. Yes. And there's more. That's underneath. I'm amazed. I'm really surprised. Very pleasantly surprised at how much is in this box. Definitely worth the price paid. Oh, candle. Black candle. Moon. Phases of the moon. Excellent. And some more black tissue saved. You see, I couldn't save the black and white bag. I do like that stripy bag. Remind me of Nightmare Before Christmas. I'm judging this means I'm going to... just like that. This means I've been talking all this time with my hand over the mic and nobody can be able to hear me. Here we have very pretty stone. Moonstone it says, but I thought moonstones were different to this. Calm emotional instability, soothe stress and relax anxieties, providing inner calmness. Moonstone enhances awareness and intuition. Stone is good for love and fortune. It's just very pretty. I believe this bit here, this opalescent bit, is the moonstone piece of it. But impurities are fine. We like impurities, but nobody's perfect. That is beautiful. Very tactile, as you can see. So I spend a while playing with it. Okay, so no, I don't want to lose it amongst all this paper and string and loveliness. But so be careful with that. And then this box will need undoing. Oh my good gosh. Beautiful bracelet. The moon phase is on again. That is really nice. And I could put charms, touch charms, for safety, although I don't think I'll need it. That will go beautifully on my arm. That is so delicate. That is a fabulous box. I thoroughly enjoyed opening this box and seeing all the goodies. I am more than happy with this purchase. Thank you, Occult Box. I will be probably buying more from you. Bye for now.